When it comes to securing your retirement, understanding tax-advantaged investment opportunities can be a game changer. Whether you're just starting to think about retirement or you're already well into your planning, leveraging tax-advantaged accounts can significantly improve your financial security. But it can be overwhelming to know where to start, especially if you're concerned about protecting your wealth for the long term. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use tax-advantaged investment opportunities in your retirement portfolio and why they matter more than ever. First off, tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401ks, and even gold IRAs offer a way to reduce your taxable income while growing your wealth. For American retirees, this is critical. Traditional IRAs and 401ks give you a tax break when you contribute, but you'll pay taxes on the withdrawals in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you don't get the tax break up front, but your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. These strategies can help you maximize your wealth in a way that traditional savings accounts simply can't. Now, you might be wondering, how does this all relate to gold IRAs? Well, gold IRAs offer the same tax advantages, but with the added benefit of diversification and protection from inflation. When you invest in gold through an IRA, you're not only preserving your wealth, but you're also ensuring that your portfolio is protected against market volatility and economic uncertainty. If you want to learn more about how thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to protect their wealth, click the first link in the description to get a free guide and consultation, especially if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks. As we dive deeper into tax-advantaged strategies, let's talk about how to effectively integrate them into your retirement portfolio. One key approach is to balance your risk. A Roth IRA might be appealing if you're in a lower tax bracket now and expect higher taxes in the future. On the other hand, a traditional IRA or 401k is better if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket during retirement. The idea is to make sure you're paying the least amount of taxes possible while maximizing the growth of your investment. But here's something you might not know. There's a hidden gem for high net worth individuals: gold IRAs. They provide the same tax benefits as traditional retirement accounts, but they allow you to hold precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum. This diversification strategy helps protect your savings from the fluctuations in the stock market. And with inflation continuing to rise, gold is a safe haven investment that has historically outperformed many traditional assets. When it comes to your retirement, you need more than just stocks and bonds. A gold IRA ensures that a portion of your savings is shielded from the risk of market downturns. And if you're already looking to diversify, adding gold to your portfolio not only balances your investments, but also secures them from inflationary pressures. And the best part? You get the tax advantages of a retirement account while holding a tangible asset that has historically proven to be a hedge against economic instability. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you have $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, it's time to consider all your options. A gold IRA could be the strategy you've been looking for to ensure that your retirement savings aren't eroded by inflation or a volatile stock market. Take action today by clicking the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and consultation, and start building a more secure retirement. By now, you should have a clearer understanding of how tax-advantaged investment opportunities can transform your retirement plan. Remember, diversifying with gold IRAs in particular can give you the peace of mind that your wealth is protected. This strategy is perfect for American retirees who want to preserve their savings and create a reliable long-term income source. If you're serious about taking control of your retirement and ensuring that your wealth stays protected, don't wait. Click the link in the description for your free gold IRA guide today.